Hello guys, today in this video I am gonna tell you how to use text to speech option in TikTok. So please watch the video till end and also give a like to this video. First of all, if you don't have the latest version of TikTok, then please go to Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. After that, open the TikTok app. After that, record your video or add your video from your gallery. Now tap on next button. Next. Now type your text here. Now tap on text and then tap on text to speech option.
Hello guys. Hello guys.